All right, guys, I skipped a few here because I think we're okay. Estimating with degrees, figuring out what quadrants they're in, and stuff like that. And even sketching, it's actually a little easier with degrees and radians. But this one here, 39 through 42, just I like this question, especially this part B right here, just because it kind of is a little bit different than the ones we did with radians. But if we looked at 40, just part B, it's negative 420 degrees, right? So if we kind of use the same logic as we did with the radians, right? In the radians, we added 2 pi and we subtracted 2 pi to get to something that's coterminal. I actually think one of the questions wouldn't have worked like that, but that was like the last one maybe. But here we go with this one, right? The equivalent of 2 pi and negative 2 pi, right, is 360 degrees. So if I take negative 420 degrees and I add 360 degrees, I actually get something that's negative 60 degrees. That would be, even though I added, I actually still have a negative number. So that is coterminal, right? Negative 60 degrees would just be if you just went directly down without spiraling around. So that is coterminal to negative 420 degrees. However, it's still a negative number. So that could satisfy the negative coterminal angle. If you subtracted 360, you would get even further negative, right? Negative 780, which could also work as a coterminal angle, but a negative one. So it's interesting. You would actually, by adding 360, you're still not positive. So you could take your answer from here and add 360 to that one and just say, okay, well then 300 degrees, that is finally a positive number, right? And 300 degrees would be if you went this way and ended right there. That's actually a positive number that is coterminal. So you could either start with your original and just add 360 degrees twice, or you could just start with the original. If you see that 360 is not going to get you to positive, you could add 720 because that's twice around, but that way you'll definitely get to something positive. So either one is okay.